How's it going today, YouTube? This is Joseph here once again. And today we're going to be doing another unboxing video as well as a short-term review. It's going to be a little bit of a different video, but it's something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and it's actually something that's become of a necessity. So these are two of my computers. This is my Windows 10 computer that I do a lot of Microsoft Flight Simulator X on, video editing, stuff like that. Do a lot of different things. That's the computer I upload to YouTube a lot, unless I'm just going to directly upload via my iPhone, which is what I do a lot more recently. But anyway, this computer, it's been giving us some issues recently. It keeps having erratic hard drive readings where it will read like a improper space allocation. Like it'll say it's only got 15 gigs open when in fact it has like 207 gigabytes open and stuff like that. I'm thinking it might have some type of rogue software or malicious malware. The red one here, the 1520, that's the old computer that I used to use to edit with until I bought my e-machine, which is over to the side. It's just gotten really slow, and I can't uninstall AVG on it. The computer basically just locks up and won't uninstall any type of antiviral programs off of the computer. So today we're going to be unboxing a USB assistant drive. This is a bootable medium, basically, that has a Linux-based antivirus technology. It's called a Fix-Me Stick, and they have two different plans available for the Fix-Me Sticks. This one is a 5PC 2-year protection plan, or you could buy a 3PC 1-year protection plan. So I went with the 5PC 2-year protection plan on this one because we have already 3 computers. My mom's got her own computer that she uses, and then we've got the 5500 there, the black one that I just showed you that's giving us the erratic hard drive reading, and then my old editing computer right there, the Dell 1520. And it is compatible with older versions of Windows, such as Windows Vista. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. So just go on and get into this, and I'll show you what we got. So here is our rescue diskette. So here it is right here. So it's a Fix-Me Stick, and it basically removes viruses, spyware, trojans, and other malicious malware. Works with your antivirus software automatically. So it's a 5PC 2-year protection plan, and this one's for PC, which is what I need. And it is compatible with both Windows Vista and Windows 10. So let's go on and open this thing up and see how it works. So hopefully it hasn't been previously used. It was out of the box, but it looks like that it probably has not been used. But we're going to start with the Windows 10 computer. I'm going to take the cap off, and we will see how this does. So go on and log in under my account. And we've been using a lot of trial versions of like different antivirus programs, and actually getting something that's a full-fledged on the set paid for scanner will be really good. And this computer, it's been getting slower as of late. It takes longer to log in and other stuff like that. So let's go on and plug the Fix-Me Stick in. Picked it up immediately, so that's good. So went on ahead and opened that, and we'll go on and run fixmestick.exe. Yes, I accept the user license agreement. Updating. All right, so it's got a few updates. So it's going to basically do everything automatically. It'll boot into the Linux-based OS, so I'm going to go on and demonstrate that. So When you reboot, it's going to start a black screen, and then it will go on and run the Fix Me Stick utility. So, I don't need to register it right now, I don't think. Hopefully not, but we'll do it again if necessary. So it's going to go on and restart, and then it'll boot into the Linux-based scanner. And once it boots into the Linux-based scanner, it could take a couple of hours depending on how much memory you have on the computer. But once it finishes the scan, the computer should run a lot faster. So this may take a couple of seconds, but it'll boot. It's kind of neat that they use a Linux-based operating system to run the antivirus program, so it really gets the computer deep cleaned. But I'll go on and let it do its thing. And once it finishes booting in, we'll okay, Fix Me Stick Live login. I've never ran this before, so hopefully it does everything automatically. Sometimes they take a few minutes. Yep, there it goes. So it's booting into the Linux OS, and it'll probably begin the scan here in a moment. There it goes. Okay, so it's going to check the internet for updates, and once it updates, it'll begin doing a scan. So depending on how many updates, it may reboot several times, but after it finishes the update. So register your Fix Me Stick. So I'm going to go on and cut and enter my information. And okay, so I just registered it. And it's going to start updating the definitions. This could take a couple of hours. But once it finishes cleaning the computer, we'll come back and take a look at what all it found. So, see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so about 2.5 hours later, the Fix Me Stick has finally completed the first scan on this 5500 latitude, and it indeed did find infections on this computer, so let's go in and check the results. I know that there was one infection on a previous scan from Viper Utilities, but hopefully this thing found more than one result. Oh yeah, it did. It found quite a lot. So it found several adware agents. I have never even heard of a Jake program, stress relief. But yeah, it found a couple of things, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and remove these infections, and then probably move over to the 1520. But I just wanted to go on and show you that this thing indeed does do a powerful cleaning job, and I'm already pleased with the accuracy of the scanner. So as you can see, 2 hours and 17 minutes and 6 seconds. But yeah, we'll go on and finish the cleanup process and move over to the other computer. So that's pretty much it for the Fix Me Stick. After it cleans it, it'll restart the computer back to Windows, and that'll be that. So let's go on and apply these actions, and then we will finish up here. So see you guys in a few minutes after it restarts. Okay, so let's go on and restart the computer here. So got to shut the computer down, and it asked me to remove the Fix Me Stick. So we'll go on and remove it and power it back on and see how the computer operates now. Probably going to do a lot better. Let's see if it fixed that intermittent hard drive problem. May take a second to boot. Skip the defragging from Clary. Now let's see how quick it logs in. A little quicker. All right, and the last thing, but certainly not least, did it fix the issue with the hard drive reading? It did indeed, and it even freed a gig. Awesome. Alright guys, well that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. I'm going to go ahead and do the 1520 off camera, probably because the scanner is going to take a couple more hours, and I want to go on and get this video up. So anyways, I will let you guys know in the comments if there was any problems, but I highly doubt there's going to be any on the 1520. And I thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.